in my last meeting, I'd already told you regarding the day 1 and day 2 activities. Now I'm moving to the day 3 and day 4 of the SSB. That is your GTO 1 day and your GTO 2 day. Now I'm coming to day 3. That is your GTO 1. The very first test that is conducted that day is called the group discussion. As you're all aware, group discussion primarily consists of a set of students sitting around, and two topics will be given and 20 minutes for each of the topics to be discussed. Now, things to be kept in mind is a GTO batch is never more than 10 students. Why not more than 10 students? Because one GTO at any one time can concentrate on 10 people at the same time. He's trained to do that. I'll also tell you here that the GTO wears black colored specs so that whenever his eyes are moving from one candidate to the other, it is not visible or it is not obvious to the students who is being observed by the GTO. So when a group discussion topic is given to you, always keep certain things in mind. The first thing is, if you get your chance immediately start upon and start giving out some crucial points regarding that topic. Crucial points can be in a systematic manner. Do not be in a hurry to speak. Always speak deliberately because that shows your confidence. Suppose a certain topic has been given to you, Indo-Pak relation, and you start off from one end. Always start off with a little bit of background and then go on to what are the irritants due to Indo-Pak relation, and then third could be what could be the solutions or how one should go about rectifying so that we maintain cordial relations with our neighbors. Once you've done that, after that, always give a chance to the others also to speak, so that you should be a patient listener. Once all these things are going on, side by side, always keep an eye on any student who is not participating in the discussion. And while rectifying it, try to tell the other group that let us give chess number so and so also a chance, especially that candidate who is weak and who has not spoken at all. Also keep in mind that when others have spoken and you also spoken, always grab an opportunity to now try to summarize whatever has been discussed in the group discussion. For this, the best tarika will be divide yourself into groups of 5 to 7 each and pick up the current topics which are going on. And every day in your daily routine, you must have a session of group discussion. Another thing I want to tell you here is that you have something known as a magazine called Competition Success Review. This is a magazine which also has a group discussion mentioned in it. How the members of the group discussion go about discussing, the Competition Success Review gives you a very clear indicative of that. Once the group discussion
your volume?
is on,
Covid, can you increase your volume?
sir, can you hear me?
Covid, can you increase your volume? Mute all your mics. Please mute your mics, all of you. Yeah, Covid, can you increase your volume? You're muted at this time. Covid, you're muted.
Sir, could you hear me, sir?
नहीं, कोविड तो म्यूट हो गया हुआ है, आवाज नहीं आ रही. मैं कह रहा थोड़ा वॉल्यूम इंक्रीज हो सकता है.
और देखो.
अच्छा, नहीं तो फिर मोबाइल को यूज करें इन केस यू से. You guys are listening to me what I'm talking?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You can hear me on the mobile or otherwise?
Now,
नहीं, मैं अभी आपको मोबाइल पे ही सुन रहा हूँ. हाँ यार, बोलना जरा. Speak something.
sir, can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you, but your very volume is very less. Can you increase the volume?
Sir, यार एक कंट्रोल करके भी तो वॉल्यूम होता था.
Okay, are you speaking?
Sir,
एक मिनट, try speaking on the mobile. I'll see if it works. Okay, guys, tell me if you're
Sir,
getting the sound from the mic, mobile. Yeah.
sir, I'm speaking on the mobile now.
Yeah, just see. Can you hear him on the mobile, gentlemen?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, start
Sir,
speaking.
I'll just
Yes, sir.
Can you hear him on mobile very clear?
Yes, sir.
So, which is better, earlier one or mobile?
Mobile.
Hello.
Sir, can you hear me now?
Yeah, guys, can you hear him now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, I'll speak on the mobile only.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
In case you can't hear him, tell me he's on mobile now. And put mobile in
He is
front of
loud and clear, sir.
Okay, right. Students, as we discussed about the group discussion part, I've told you that altogether there are going to be 2 topics, 20 minutes each. And
Covid, please mute your mic. Covid, please mute your mic and speak on phone. Mic mute kar do.
उसको वॉल्यूम कम कर दो. Sir, is it fine now, sir?
Yeah, it's okay. आप बोलो.
Okay. Students, I've already told you, group discussion will be 2 topics.
नहीं हुआ. Covid, mic mute नहीं हुआ. Zoom का mic mute करो. I'm not getting the indication as yet.
Sir.
वो जो अपना लेफ्ट साइड में नीचे 2 बटन है ना, ऑडियो और उसका वीडियो.
Sir, I've done it now. एक बार चेक कर लीजिए.
नहीं.
Mute now.
The sound is also coming and I can indication on your screen is also not. Yeah, now it is okay.
Sir, being as a host, you can do that.
Sir, is it mute now?
Yeah, it's okay now. आप बोलो अभी.
Hello?
Yeah, it's okay. Please do that. एक मिनट, I think this has gone off here. एक मिनट. I'll just call him. There's some problem with the net here, gentlemen.
Sir?
Yeah.
Sir, is the mic mute now?
Yeah, it's okay. आप mic mute है अभी, आप मोबाइल पे बात करिए.
हाँ जी सर, मैं अभी बात करता हूँ.
Yeah. बढ़िया. फिर मिस कॉल खत्म हो गया. कॉल क्यों डिस्कनेक्ट कर दिया?
Sir, I'll just take a call, sir.
Yeah. Pick up the call.
I have picked up the call, sir.
Yeah. We're listening to you now. आप बोलो.
Okay.
We're listening to you.
Right, students, we've already discussed about the group discussion and how to go about the group discussion. Now we come to the second task of GTO, that is called the group planning exercise. That is the GPE. In what happens in the group planning exercise is, you are given first a short narrative. Narrative means it is like a story which is being created. So once you go through that narrative, you will come to know that involves 4 to 5 people, and all these 4 to 5 people are assigned different tasks. There are certain tasks which are to be carried out. Depending on the gravity of the tasks need to be prioritized. And usually at the end of the group planning exercise, you are always given a RV, a rendezvous point, where after completion of the task, by a certain cutoff time, you are supposed to congregate. So what happens here is that whenever you are the leader and you have to plan the group planning exercise, always first do is list out the tasks which are mentioned in the narrative. Once you're listing out the tasks, now prioritize that what should be priority 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 likewise. Once you've done this, now make another list of the resources that are available to you. The resources that will be available to you would be those 4 or 5 candidates. That is also a resource. Other than that, if you have to move from one place to another, what are the means of transport available to you? So in terms of maybe it's a police station, so there is a police vehicle available. Maybe there is a public health center. It may have an ambulance or something available to you. If there is a village close by, maybe some cycles are available. If it's a state transport and maybe the bus timing is there, certain timings are laid down and the bus is due. At that time, a bus could also be a resource to you. If the village is close to a river, maybe there are boats available. So those boats are also resource to you. Now what you do is, resources are available, tasks which have been spelled out are in front of you. Now you must decide, you have to designate these resources to the tasks. What must be kept in mind is, all this has to be a simultaneous action. That means these 4 to 5 tasks have to be solved simultaneously. You being the hero cannot be the person who can be physically everywhere. So you have to delegate tasks to your other comrades. The point to keep in mind here is, the more difficult the task, that should be undertaken by you, because you are the leader. And all the other subsequent tasks can be given to others. Another thing you can do is, you can also do clipping of more than one task. When you are going en route to a particular task and you find that a smaller task is falling in the same route, then you can sort out the task also and move on for the bigger task. Thereby, simultaneously 2 to 3. Now, how do you decide the priority? Priority can be decided in terms of the gravity of the situation. If the GP says that it's a railway bridge, and while you were going on that railway bridge walking, you realize that the bridge is broken, and the next half an hour a train is about to come. Now that automatically becomes one of your major priority tasks, because the number of lives and lesser priority task could be, maybe a shopkeeper has come to you from the local village and said कि मेरी दुकान का शटर काम नहीं कर रहा है, तो मेरी मदद करा के शटर को नीचे कर दो. Of course, this is going to be a lesser priority task. So based on the gravity of the situation, you will assign tasks, and more major the task, you will undertake yourself. Also, you can keep in mind that always a railway So maybe you can also think in terms of assigning somebody to ring up the railway station so that the train does not pass there before it moves to your location. So once you've done this, then you should make an endeavor that everybody who's participating in solving these tasks must reach the RV point at the right time. So the farther the chap, he should have the faster the communication, that is road communication, to reach the RV point in time. And nearer the chap, he can walk down also up to the RV point so that you all make it at the cutoff time. This in the bigger aspect is
The voice is not coming, sir.
COVID voice is not coming. COVID voice is not coming. No. This volume has gone down drastically. I'll call you again.
Sir, is it okay now, sir?
Yeah, now it is connected. इधर फिर से बताना priority कैसे decide करना है. You got 6 minutes to do that, and then next thing will start in the next session. 6 minutes decide on the priority.
ठीक है, sir. Now, whenever the group planning exercise, the tasks have to be carried out, it needs to be prioritized. As I've already told before, the bigger the task or the more the danger due to which the casualties are likely to happen, always assumes more priority, a higher priority. So, if there is a train approaching a bridge and the bridge is broken, automatically assumes more importance than maybe somebody requiring a local help. Local help in terms of maybe the cattle has got stuck in the fields and he is asking for your assistance. So keeping that in mind, and I have already told you, the more the priority of the task that you should be handling, and the lesser task can be delegated to others. Now I move to the third one, which is progressive group tasks. In this task, what happens is you are given 4 obstacles. Total time to solve the task is 40 to 50 minutes. Now what happens in progressive group task is that you are given certain instruments in terms of bali, instruments in terms of rope, and then you are also given a weight, a dead weight. You are supposed to move from one task to the other, and in between could be the no man's land. This is where what counts is your ingenuity. Firstly, to be kept in mind is do not get bogged down when you come across tasks like these. Time is more than enough. What is to be kept in mind is that never show that you have given up. Always keep coming with ideas. Suppose he says कि 8 फुट लंबी बल्ली है, 6 मीटर लंबी रस्सी है और इसको बांध के आपने दूसरी जगह जाना है. In between is the no man's land. And you immediately say, sir, if that be so, मैं इसको ऐसे लगा के I will use cantilever. And cantilever करके I will go from one point to another. That is the time the GTO will now change the situation. He say, okay, now the balli size from 8 feet has reduced to 7. And rasa from 6 meters has come down to 5. Now what will you do? So what is happening is, as in battle, these situations will dynamically keep changing. It will never be the same. उस time पे do not go down. You should say, अच्छा sir, अब ये हो गया. Right sir, now I will do this sir. You say, okay, if now I further change, you say, अच्छा sir, you've done that. Right sir, now I will do this sir. Till the time he does not give up and say, okay, enough. You should be ready with some solution or the other. The best thing to be kept in mind here is that we want to see your continuous effort and not getting bogged down due to dynamic situation getting changed again and again. Your solution may not be the best, but if you've not given up and you're trying till the very end, that is a positive for you. So please keep that in mind. Now we come to the fourth task, which is called TOR, which is Group Obstacle Race. It is a very simple task. Dekha jaye to, what they do is it is also called the snake race. They make very heavy snakes, long snakes, and they make you into groups of 8 to 10, as I've already told you. Now these two groups are going to have a competition, and en route you will have 6 obstacles. So there will be a start point, and both your snakes should be ready. Snake will not be touching the ground. It has to be held by you on your shoulders. Suppose you have 10 of you, so 10 of you are holding your snake, and aapke aage there are 6 obstacles which you are supposed to cross, and whosoever crosses the finish line first, that group is the winner group, and you get marks accordingly. Point to be kept in mind, these 6 obstacles will be having different painting marks. All those obstacles with put your foot and you can put your hand to cross over the obstacle. Wherever you find a red mark you are not supposed to touch. And if you touch, you are supposed to go back one obstacle, repeat it, and join back in your group of that snake race. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to tell you something here. A GTO is trained. I say again, a GTO is trained to look at candidates from another. Even if you feel that आपने red mark को touch कर दिया and the GTO has not seen you, let me tell you, the GTO has already seen you. और आप सोचो कि GTO ने तो देखा नहीं, तो I need not repeat the obstacle behind and join back in the group. Let me continue. The GTO would have already seen you and he would have penalized you. The more honest your effort and the more amount of vigor and energy you show in ensuring that your team wins, lot of energy, lot of cooperation as a team is very, very important in such type of tasks.